Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bani and today I will be showing the much awaited video that is requested by you all.
Maybe it's okay.
Which is requested by you all. So today I will be giving you a house tour, like a basement tour. So where exactly do we live? This is like our first house where we live. So this is how we enter, like straight. There are no stairs for the entrance. Alright, so let's just quickly begin and then I will tell you the details and everything in the end. Alright, let's go. Are you ready?
Yes.
So that's how you enter.
Wait.
Oh, pani ki bottle hai. Main hata kar. Okay, so before I begin with my basement tour, walk-in basement tour / house tour or whatever, where we live, so I would like to show you the empty house tour. So before I had got all the furniture and I had set up the whole house, I did make a video where you'll get to see how exactly did my basement look before, you know, before and after. Empty house tour. Okay, go watch. This is our living room. This is by the owner. This is a heater and a cooler and a TV. This is a closet space. So there is a separate entrance from here. Then we go down. This is also like our private area. We have small area here. The first door on the left, okay, this is already open. So the first door on the left is the washroom. Then once we come out, this is the furnace room, which has all the heating and everything. This is the first room, so there is a window. Good amount of space we have. Also there is a mirror. This is a beautiful mirror. We just have to clean a little bit. So this is how it is. Then let's move on to the second room. So the second room is of the same size. Again, good amount of light. Now let me show you the kitchen. He has given us a fridge, we have a griller, we have good cabinets. It is newly made and all the appliances or the cutlery, crockery you see is provided by him. Then we have a washing machine here. That was the dryer that I showed you. So it's pretty good. We have good space here. We've got an iron table. We need to get the iron. We've got the duvet. Then we have got 2 pillows here. And then we have a mattress cover plus bed sheet. It works both ways. Then we have scented candles. We have in green, in purple. We have some of the technical stuff, screwdrivers and all of this. Then we have the bowls, the basket kind of a thing for washing the dishes and keeping it, a brush. Also we have a bed sheet there. Let me just make the whole house beautiful. Then I'll show you before and after kind of a thing. And this is again a candle that we just got. Now you'll get to see the actual house tour with all the furniture that I got. Enjoy.
Hello.
So this is how you enter. So once you enter, you'll see this little space which will have little light here, and then it is not like a lot of space but little space. So we have a hanging stuff here where we can hang our jackets, maybe umbrellas or whatever you want to hang. And then we have a door here, so it's like a storage place, like a cold storage place. So it's very cold, but we can store a lot of things in here. So it's not really a place that you want to see. So that's how it is. Now let me show you my living room. Our living room. So let's begin from this side of the living area. So once you enter, on the left side there is this whole wall which is our closet. It's like inbuilt, given to us by our landowners. Obviously I don't want to open and show, but a little bit of glimpse is not bad. So that's how it is. This is like our medicine basket. It has all the medicines. And then we have Tanveer's stuff and my stuff. Shoes mat dikhai. Tanveer and my stuff. The jackets and the sweaters and whatnot. And the other side, you would not want to see it. So it has all the rack that I told you that I got from IKEA. Let me just see if you can see it.
No,
not really. Now if you move from this area to the little window, let me show you that. So it's a little window, and if you see from the window, you'll see the snow. Can you see the snow? That's snow there outside, yeah, that's snow. So this is the window. First thing is a little suitcase where we put all the coins or anything extra that we have. So we put it in this. And then we have the 4 coasters behind. They are colorful, they are pretty, and with all the quotes. All this is from India. And then we have a little showpiece in the center which has a little birdie and a small vase which is artificial. And let me tell you, if you put water in here and then if you whistle from here, it takes out the sound of a bird. Like literally, the whistle is the sound of the bird. If you want, I can do a demonstration also. No. This is the little area that we have, the window area. Let's move on to the left corner of the room. First thing that we have is a humongous mirror. It's pretty good. You can get ready here or down there. So here on the corner we have a table, and here the table is from Value Village. On top I have 2 small showpieces. This is given to me by my brother. Did you see best sister? Yeah, that is what it is. The truth. This is also given to me by my brother. So I've kept it here. Okay. Then we have the sofa given to us by the landowner. It is very comfortable. And also thankfully we've got one, so we really don't have to buy it. And then we have the center table. So the center table we got from Value Village for $14 only. So it was really good quality, and it's like going really well with the whole thing. On top of it, if you see, I have 2 beautiful elephants from India. And then in the middle I have a flower vase from Dollarama. And the flowers are again from India. Those are artificial white rose flowers. The last thing in the living room that I wanted to talk about is the carpet that we've got from the landowner. इसकी ज़्यादा बात नहीं है मेरे पास कोई. ठीक है? Now let's move on to the main house, which are the 2 rooms. So we are talking about the 2-bedroom basement apartment. Yeah. So let's go. यहाँ से हम light on.
Walk-in basement apartment, please.
Walk-in basement apartment. Yeah. यहाँ से हम light on करेंगे ऐसे. So from the living area, if you enter, there is this little space, and then there are 3-4 stairs to go down and move on to the main area. Please concentrate on the carpet, please. We've got it. Yes. So let me just show you this area first. So it's like a little space, and this is the entrance to the main house where exactly our landowner lives. So that's this area. But it's a beautiful area to keep little vase and everything that we'll do slowly and slowly. So let's just get down from the stairs. Guys, यहाँ से नीचे आके सामने ये 2 doors हैं. राइट साइड पे बेडरूम एंड लेफ्ट साइड पे ये सेकंड बेडरूम, बट इसको हमने क्लोजेट की तरह यूज कर रहे हैं. और उसके बाद लेफ्ट साइड पे हमारा फ्रिज और ये ओवरव्यू ऑफ द होल किचन. और एक्सट्रीम राइट पे ये डोर बाथरूम का है, और ये वाला डोर एक्स्ट्रा डोर है. इसमें एग्जॉस्ट है, मतलब नो यूज. एग्जॉस्ट मशीनरी और वो सब है. क्लोज्ड है.
सेंट्रल हीटिंग रूम है.
ये सेंट्रल हीटिंग रूम है, एग्जॉस्ट और क्लोज्ड है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूम. So as we enter, we have 2 beautiful chairs, one in pink and the other one in blue. And then on top, if you'll see there, we have 2 plants, both on the corner side. And then in the middle, I have a little basket where I have all my skincare routine, like my hand cream, my face cream and all of that. Let me just show you. So this is a little basket that I have. Then we have the bed. Very simple, very decent and all of that. So this is a queen's bed that we got from IKEA. The pillow, the mattress, the pillow covers, the duvet cover and the blanket, everything is from IKEA. Only the center piece that you see, the center pillow, the white one and the soft toy is from Walmart.
Yep.
So guys, this is our little bedroom. Now we'll enter the second room of the house. So let's begin with the leftmost corner. Once we enter into this little cozy beautiful room, we have an iron table with the iron, and then we have our dressing drawer. It's like a dressing table with 6 different drawers. In this we have all the things that you really don't want to know about, but yeah, all our stuff. So we have the perfume corner, then I have makeup brushes, little bit of my regular wear lip shades that I use. Then in the corner I have a beautiful box with all my nail paints. Then we've just got this glass storage almirah. I mean, you can use this as a multi-purpose almirah. We just bought it, so obviously it's empty. Then here we have a table. This is given to us by the landowner. It's like a study table. So we have a printer on it, our notebooks on it. We have the stationery corner. So all the work stuff and the stuff that I want to make list on, the to-do list, is here. Then in the extreme corner I have a tiny thin shoe stand with all my heels that I have not really worn here, so it's not really in a use till now, but yeah, I do have it little bit from here and there. And on top, let me just show you the window that we have in this room. This is the size of the window that we have, so it's pretty good. Guys, let me show you the kitchen. We'll begin from the extreme right. So the first thing that we have is the fridge, and we have all the magnets from the different countries that we have traveled to. Then Tanveer has all the drinks that he wants to drink and he likes it. I like the fruity and the crush. It's more or less like a Fanta. And Tanveer drinks the ginger ale and the Sprite. And in the center I have this vase from Dollarama, and the flowers I got it from India, artificial flowers. Let's move a little this side and then the real kitchen begins. So let me talk about this corner. So the first thing I have is the ghee from Rars. This is a good one. You can buy from No Frills if you're looking for a typical ghee like we get in India. Then on top I've made coconut chutney because today we will be having masala dosa. So then we have 3 different containers from Chumbak. This has the tea, the one which has an elephant. Then this has the sugar, and this one has the coffee. Then I have the kitty. So this is like for the oil container. Now let's move up. So we have a cupboard here. Don't really want to open it, but then I have the pulses down below and Atram Shatram on top. So I really don't want to show that. Then down below, same side, I have all the spices, the khade masale and all the dry spices. So all of this I have. Let's move on to the second part. We have the exhaust. So then we have the stove, which is the coil stove, and then we have the griller here and a beautiful towel that I got from Dollarama. Please don't miss that. Let me just, the griller, yes. So then we move on to the third part of it, which is the washing area, the sink area. We don't have the dishwasher unfortunately, but yeah. So we have a little detergent, the scrub if you can notice. Then we have the 2 chopping boards. I really don't want to open this cupboard. Why? Because it has all the cleaning stuff, the poach and the detergent and all of that. So we will skip that. This is just a showpiece, so it's like it does not open, so no use of this. Let's move on to the last part of the slab. If you see in the end, I have a tray to keep the utensils. This is from IKEA, and then behind that I have wooden pads,
Thermal pads.
We have the thermal pads, 3 of these. Then I have a mat here to keep all the utensils. Then I can shift it here or anywhere else. Then I have 2 water bottles. One is obviously the water, and the second one is the kesar water that I drink for the whole day. And if you see this, the special part of the kitchen is this little diary that I have, in which I have written all the recipes, whatever I've learned or something that I've experimented and it has turned out to be really good. So this, now let's move.
It's the encyclopedia of recipes, by the way.
It's, yeah. You're hearing it. Also, I did not show you the best part about the kitchen, just above the washing area, near the window, I have these two beautiful water vases or the water into the plants and stuff. So it's a showpiece obviously, and it is artificial. And let me come back here. So the cupboard above this has all the utensils that I would like to give you a little sneak peek. So we have the glasses, the beautiful cup, please don't miss it, the beautiful bowl, and then we have the beautiful little small bowls, the katoria, and then more katoria and all of that. Okay, don't want to show you a lot of it. And then the drawer here has all my chamchi and everything, the cutlery part. Wouldn't want to show you again. And then the last part has all the utensils, the bigger utensils. So we have the washing machine here, and then on top of that I have the microwave. I got it from Walmart. And then on top of that I have the cruet set for salt and pepper with the candle in between. So the cruet set is from India, Chumbak, and the candle is from Dollarama. Hello. Yes. And then, interesting part, I have a big container here which has all my pinni, the laddus that I have to eat in winters, okay? So all of that is there inside, made by who else? Tanveer Singh Hanspal. And then here I have a pen from Dubai and a diary if I want any notes or if I want to make any list for the groceries. So this I got it from Jaipur in India. So that's the whole of kitchen. Now we'll enter the washroom. So the first thing that you see on the right is the dryer that we have. I'll open it and show you. So this is a dryer that we have. Then this is the shower cubicle. Then our washroom ends with the little storage area here to keep all the stuff, all the essentials. We have it here, and then we have the wash basin with the mirror. Also we have a little cupboard in front of that to keep all the extras if we have anything for the storage. Alright guys, so this was the little cozy place that we live in. This is like our first rented place in Canada. Now I will discuss with you the price. The price is 1,500 Canadian dollars. We give $50 extra per month. That includes all the utilities with the Wi-Fi. So in total it is 1,550 Canadian dollars per month. And this place is in North York, which is, if you travel by bus, it is exactly 40 minutes away from downtown. And otherwise it is 20-25 minutes away if you travel by car. So this is it. This is the information that you wanted, and this is the tour that you really wanted to see. So I hope you guys have had fun watching it, and if you did, you know, the usual like, share, subscribe. Alright then, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.